Well, from rap music, heavy metal, to boom operating, Swizl Jager is an artist who keeps his ear on the pulse of all things music. And now he's got a new track in teaomāori, and he's joining us in the studio. Kia ora. What?
Sure, brother. Thank you.
Listen, tell us, this track was originally Te Reo Pākehā, right? How'd you go about changing it to Māori?
It's a pretty old song. Like, I wrote it in English and everyone loves it when I play it live, but I thought it was about time that it got a revamp, you know? And I thought it was time that in Te Reo Māori was way better than just leaving it the same version, you know?
Yeah.
So yeah, I went ahead and did it.
Man.
Yeah.
How did you go about it? We obviously heard, you know, your nieces were kind of...
Yeah, my nieces are in it. I enlisted the help of my bro Raniera. We translated the song, and my little sister, and then ended up getting funding from TMP for the song and the video. Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it.
It's about the love for your grandmother, right?
Yeah.
Tell us a bit more about that.
Yeah. So yeah, obviously Nanny Pia. My nan was the Queen of Maketū, or the Maketū dragon, or the witch of Maketū. You know, she was pretty famous, and most people remember her voice. It was really growly, but loving at the same time. You know, so yeah, I just wanted to write a song for her, and I was going to try and sing the chorus by myself, but I thought, nah, I better get my nieces in instead.
Tell us about then the inspiration behind the music video with your nieces are in it, right?
Yeah, so like I went down home to record them, and originally I wanted all my nephews and nieces to be singing it, but my nephews said, nah, we don't want to sing it, but we'll be in the video.
Okay.
And my nieces said, we don't want to be in the video, but we'll sing it. So yeah, I recorded the girls singing, and then we filmed an original music video with my nephews in it, but it sort of didn't make sense, you know, with the girls singing. So I enlisted the help of my friend C Tunes, or C Blue, and she made this awesome video for us.
It's Christmas time, so we got to ask you, right? You used to spend your Christmas with your nan. What are you up to this year? How do you celebrate usually?
Well, it used to be with Nan. At Nan's house, all the cousins would come along, but now it's at my mum's house now. So my mum's the new homestead, and that's what we'll be doing. Kai's on.
We're going to see the music video later on. Explain the music video for us.
It's pretty much a translation of what I'm singing about, you know. So like if I was the peaches in her freezer, like they were better than the ones in the tin can, you know. I used to play in her lemon trees. She used to come out with her false teeth and like just, you know, talk to the kids, yeah. She'd be like, and she'll like drop them on the floor and like talk to you with them and stuff like that. So yeah, so it's all about just memories of that. And then the second verse is about, you know, just no matter what I go through in life, you know, I know that she's always there with me, even though she's not physically here. So yeah.
Any plans for any gigs, that kind of thing, across summer? Are you pretty chilled out? What's the plan?
It's buzzy. I think this is my quietest summer ever in terms of gigs. I mean, I played a lot this year, but yeah, I'll probably just do heaps of impromptu stuff. Yeah.
Collaborations coming up?
Yep. I've got heaps of collabs out. Like, I love collabing with anyone, like metal artists. Like, I did one with Shepherd's Rain. You know, heaps of different styles of music. You know, I don't limit myself to just hip hop or rap. Yeah.
Talk to me about the boom operating. I said it at the top of the show.
Yeah.
From everything to the boom operating, so you're kind of spread across everything, right?
Pretty much everything sound it's me, except live sound, like music, engineers and stuff like that. I can't do that stuff. That stuff is too technical. Yeah. But yeah, I work on film sets and stuff.
Well, okay. Where do you record all your music and stuff like that? Where does that happen? Is it?
I record at Woodcut Music, which is actually where I live.
Oh wow! Okay.
Yeah, I live at the recording studio, so that's handy. Yeah.
Tell me about what sort of got you into music in the first place. Why is it waiata? Was it just massive growing up, like so many of us, or?
Waiata, I mean, I did kapahaka for a little bit when I was a kid. I finished when I was like 12 or 13. And then music, I was just, you know, I was a bedroom singer. I'd sing like Pantera and Metallica into a hairbrush type of styles. And then,
like all of us?
Yeah, like, you know, and then I thought, wait, I saw one of my bros get up and do a song at a talent quest, and I was like, damn, if he can do it, then I should be able to. And
yeah, it went from there.
Yeah.
Brother, thank you so much for joining us.